yeah, it looks like things are slowing down a little bit. It's cold. There's the smoke and the wind. Holidays around, but there's still stuff out here, so let's see what we can find. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the thrift shop and I bought a bunch of old colognes. So we've got Santa Fe, 1.7 fluid ounces, and then Night Spice by Old Spice. So 4 of those. An aftershave. This is Pierre Cardin. But I looked up comps really quickly and they look pretty good, promising. Oh, and they were $1 a piece. They just got marked down from $1.99, so 11 bucks. So there's some of the solds for the Santa Fe, and the other one's similar. Just got out of Thrift Town. This is not the Ladybird one. Picked up 2 things. Spent like $5. This 3 is a Tesla shirt, size medium, and I'm not sure, but I think it's gotta be something cool. It seems kind of cool to me, at least. 2017 production team, so I don't know how many of these were made. And then we've got a Flight of the Conchords shirt from 2010. Just thought it was cool. And I think the Conchords came out in 2010. So, yeah. It's all sparkly. So I'm back. And I did not film. Sorry about that, guys. Just found a couple things. It was really sparse today. But, guess I can unload this. First, I like to pack up the stuff that sold while I was out, because I can usually catch the post lady and reduce Monday packing. So yeah, these little guys sold for $15 plus shipping. I bought like a bunch of them for like $3 a while ago and split them into lots. These are Air Jitsu, something like that. I'm not too familiar with these guys. We have a pair of LeBron 11s. I think they call it like South Beach turquoise. Nice shape. They sold for $40 plus shipping. They're youth size, like 6Y. So the other patch for the Swing Wing sold for $40 plus shipping. Another band shirt sold. This is Ceremony, $25 plus shipping. Had a pair of Jurassic Park finger puppets from '96. They sold for $15 plus shipping. Here's a DSi XL lot. Has the chargers, a couple games. Sold for $50 plus shipping. And it's kind of nice. The case make it easy to ship. Yeah, $50. I picked up 2. I think it was $10 for 2 of these. The first one sold for around the same price. So $5 into $50. It's cool, plus shipping. I picked up 2 jackets today at $5 a piece. It's got some cool patchwork. I think probably on both sleeves. And it has the jewelry, Pro Player. There's the tag. On the back, got a giant Viking head patch. Has the hood. $5. This is a Logo Athletic Pro Line 49ers jacket. with jewelry embroidered. And on the back has a large San Francisco patch. $5. Picked up this little band shirt for 50 cents. So there's one available for sale and 0 have sold. Priced at $17.95. There's one of those small like bread and butter items. It's a Sony Walkman. It's $1. I think this is only like a $20 model. Picked up this dude. I thought he was cool. It's a carved wood, like sail, I don't know, fisherman, drinking some wine, hobo, tramp art, carved thing. Unfortunately it's not signed, but yeah, got it for $5. Thought it was cool. He's got his raincoat and rain hat on. It's a piece of petrified wood. It's fairly large, very heavy. Ugh. So, yeah, I've sold petrified wood before. Usually I've sold them as bookends, and I think the last pair I sold for 120 was specimens. A lot of it's the size and weight that kind of determines the value. Also with the bookends, like there's an aesthetic beauty to different cuts, but oh, this guy was $7. So I spent a huge grand total of $23.50 today. So slim pickings. So I ended up combining Saturday and Sunday because, you know, Saturday finds were a little sparse. So here's all the stuff I got for $16. Happy with it. So first I put a little beeswax in this guy, so he's polished up pretty nicely. I think he's not dusty anymore. And then found there's like a little F there, so maybe a signature. Also clean this guy up with a little soap and water. But to this, yeah, I was pretty stoked to find these. They're 1988 from Schulten. They were $1.99, but she said they had just marked them down to $1 and then 20% off. So I've got the 7 bottles of the Santa Fe. They're looking like $50 a piece to sell. So that's like $280. And these guys are fairly uncommon as well. 1987 by Schulten. Night Spice by Old Spice. We've got the spray and the cologne. I think these are in a similar range. One aftershave as far as comps. Here are the t-shirts. I just like this one. I like Flight of the Conchords. 2010. Not sure what that will be worth. And then the only thing I was able to find was a Reddit post where someone was asking, is this real? So apparently this was like given to employees. Had a little T on the sleeve, and it says designed and manufactured in California, so pretty cool. $1.99, $2.99. Here's that Tesla shirt. Yeah, I put it to auction starting at $40, and it sold for $50 plus shipping. Not a bad little flip. Yeah, I didn't find any comps, but I'm happy with that. Well, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you want to support the channel anyway, feel free, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a happy Thanksgiving.